Shannon, this is what I'm dealing with. I'm here in overview, and I've already extended the due dates for chapters 1 and 2, which took me quite a while. As you can see, I have to, well, I do this, 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 and so on. And there's 48 of those. And so what I do, well, here's number 3. I'll start with chapter 3. I got chapters 1 and 2 done. So I guess I'm not missing anything. Okay, click on that. Then I go down and click his name. This is the student. Oh, wait a minute. He's already done that one, so I guess I don't have to. Well, I'll just show it for illustration. I guess he has done chapter 3. So anyway, so I click on that. I'll just do it just to show you. Then I click on the due date, new due date, and then I have to change the time. 11:59. Okay, done. And I have to do that for each one separately. Now, another way I found is, actually this is the first one I found, the grade book. So I go in and find his name. This is the way Applia did it. This is pretty, okay, here's the student. I click on it. And I'm hoping to find something somewhere that says extend due dates for this student or something, but I don't. So I click on his name, and well, I don't know what happened. Okay, well, it's not available. But anyway, so I go in there. Let me try it again. Click his name. Well, anyway, I go in there and then I have to choose each assignment again, one at a time. I can't click the assignments. Well, maybe, well, yeah, oh, yeah, I guess I can do that. Man, this is a tiny window. It's very difficult to let's see. Can I, oh, well, that's a little better. Okay, where am I? Chapter 3. Okay, I already extended that. Okay, now I'll extend this one. Extend due date. Okay, it's the same thing where I have to do one at a time. And again, there's 48 of these in the first. Well, let's see. Okay, well, same. It's the same. Then I have to change the time. Is there a way to change the default time on this, just so I don't have to change every single one? Anyway, okay, done. There we go. Well, it looks like he's been doing this, so thank goodness for that. Maybe I don't need to change all of them, but again, I have a lot of students who come on board. Well, I don't know a lot, but a few, unfortunately, come on board late. They were in the class, then oops, I didn't get started soon enough, and all that. And so what I will do, I'll pick a date 2 or 3 weeks ahead of time, from now, and I'll extend the due dates for all of those assignments just to one final due date. I let them budget the time themselves. I don't babysit which you've got to get module 1 done by this date, module 2 by that date. I just say, okay, July 1st, you need the first 5 chapters done by July 1st to catch up. And I let them do it. So what I want to do is I want to go in there, click his name, and then click all those assignments and then change them all at once to July 1st, all 48 in this case. And that's how Applia worked, and I cannot figure out how to do this. I just hope I don't have to change all 48 one at a time. Anyway, that's I guess that's my question right there. How do I mass change assignments for a single student? All right. Thanks, Shannon. Your explanation. Yeah, I think it was Rachel who got back to me, and I admit I didn't read it as carefully as I should have. I've kind of been impatient, I admit. She referred to native MindTap. I thought, oh my gosh, there's native MindTap, and there's MindTap, and there's native MindTap, and then there's Aplia. So I've got it now. I have definitely got that now. So thank you. I appreciate that. Take care.